Patient-centered care aims at providing respectful and responsive care to patients' preferences, needs, and values. To implement patient-centered care, healthcare professionals have to understand what patient-centered care means from patients' own perspectives, and this is where phenomenology comes in. Phenomenology is a research methodology that aims to explore the deep meanings that patients ascribe to their experiences. It moves inquiry beyond what is experienced to how it is actually experienced, and what is provided is a detailed description that can create greater understanding of what patient-centered care is. So through the use of phenomenology, we can actually reshape the culture of healthcare professionals based on the values of patient-centered care gained through phenomenological research and hearing the voices of patients. It helps healthcare professionals to help build an identity based on feeling patients' needs and wants in care, and it helps them gain a greater understanding based on empathy and what the needs are of their patients. Phenomenology gives voice to patients, which is central to patient-centered care. It allows healthcare professionals to explore the psychosocial needs of care, and it reminds them of the importance of providing individualistic and appropriate care, which must be defined by patients themselves. Phenomenology can also inform changes to practice, and its deep descriptions of meaning provide details for change. However, phenomenology is a complex methodology and philosophy, which Kim and colleagues have described can actually deter researchers from engaging in it appropriately or at all. I'll give you an example. So if you choose a philosophical stream based on transcendental phenomenology, you must engage in epoche or bracketing all of your preconceptions about a phenomenon. And many researchers have refuted that this is possible. And it leaves them confused and hesitant as to whether this stream of philosophy is right for their research. However, when they start exploring some of the texts and that outline this form of bracketing, it becomes more apparent that what epoche means is to just open themselves up to possibilities, to not assume that they know all there is to know about a phenomenon and that they potentially took for granted before. And when they start looking at this as more of an achievable goal, it becomes less intimidating for them to engage in it. So this is just one example of how, with time and effort and confidence from the researcher, many of the practical complexities related to understanding the philosophy and methodology of phenomenology can actually be overcome. And thus, the practical complexities associated with the use of phenomenology are not reasons to avoid its use. The benefits of phenomenology outweigh its practical limitations associated with its use in health professions education. Thank you.